Hey, what's going on YouTube? Here I give y'all an update on the vet. It's Christmas Day 2021. Just got my front spoiler put on, and I'll show you what I did. Looks pretty damn good. This car didn't come with one, and there's really no good instructions on how to put one on if it didn't come with one. So I'm gonna show you what I did. If you'll look, it's pretty good, pretty close there on the sides. Pretty tight, pretty clean looking. So, and this is just a mock-up. I got to put some different types of bolts in it. Yeah, I know the shop dirty. All right, so what I did, I took these little clamps right here and just hooked them on there to hold it up, get it lined up. Then I drilled the holes, right? Okay. So what I got to finish doing is I got to go on the outside right here and pop a small hole so it'll come through the fender there. That way it keep it from flopping backwards going down the road. These two bolts here were broke off, so I drilled them out, put new bolts in there. Like I said, this is just a mock-up because I didn't have enough washers to do all of it. That was a good one there, so I reused that. And when you go around here, you want to take the C-clamps and gently bend it, mold it around, and then put your bolt in, drill a hole, put a bolt. And like I said again, we got to put the a bolt right here from the inside, and it'll come up through the outside right there. And when I get it painted and painted black, you won't be able to really tell it. But it looks really nice. It makes the stance of the car look a whole lot better. But like I said, there wasn't any videos or anything on the C3 as far as putting one of these on. If there is, I never found it. But this car did not come with one, and that makes a bigger challenge. But like I said, if I put a bolt from the inside right here, that'll be all I need. And that'll keep it from flopping back going down the road. I don't think it'll go anywhere. It's pretty tight. But I'm not going to take any chances. I don't want to get on the road and it, you know, bend back, break off or whatever. And then I got, you guessed it, a daggum fuel leak right there. And you had to take about everything off to get to it. Well, joy. But anyhow, just figure I'll let y'all see that and give you an update on the vet. I did get all my wires and stuff cleaned up underneath that. I got all new suspension up under it, upper, lower control arm bushings, ball joints, tie rod ends. I got all that done. New shocks. I went ahead and got the transmission rebuilt with 3,000 stall. And my adjustable strut rods in the back. All right, so that's where we're at. And y'all take care. Enjoy your Saturday. It's a little windy out there. Nice day to fly a kite. Other than that, peace out. Y'all be safe. Bye.